Hi, I'm HEALYMEANS. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a quick video based on my most recent TEMU order. Before we get into what I purchased, please remember to subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell, make sure it is set to all, like, comment, and share with everyone you know. Now, let's get into this quick haul video. As you know, I've been doing a lot of gardening stuff. Y'all, I'm trying to renovate and beautify the backyard shenanigans garden. It's coming along, y'all, but it is taking way longer than what I expected. I have barely planted anything for my garden. It took me until like the middle of April or something before I planted my starts. Now that I planted them and they're starting to grow, I am basically out of time to get these seedlings in their permanent homes. One thing that has distracted me is that I have gone like fruit tree crazy, y'all. You know, if you see my backyard, you know I don't have a lot of space for a lot of stuff, but y'all, the trees, the fruit trees especially, the trees have been calling me. My most recent additions have been 2 banana trees, and I thought that I had killed them, y'all, but I have seen signs of new life. One of my most favorite TEMU purchases that have really helped me out in the garden are plant caddies. Y'all, I use these things for my fruit trees, so I sit the container on the fruit tree. That way I'm able to move it and wheel it around wherever I need to. I believe I already have maybe 6 or 7, maybe 10, y'all, and I ordered some more. This is the box plant caddy, and it's 2 of them in each box, and I'm not gonna open up the whole thing and do all of that because I've done videos on it before and you have seen it. But just like a quick look, this is how they come in a box. So it's 4 pieces per caddy, and then you have, this is the silver bar that connects the 4 pieces. And here is what the wheels look like. Now I have some plant caddies that just have a single wheel, and then I have these that have a double wheel caster. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. But I got 4 more plant caddies, y'all. Now does that mean 4 more trees? Probably so at some point. The other thing that I got, and this was in a separate order, is just a few small things, though. The first thing that I have is a pack of, these are advertised as acne needles, but I use them for other stuff. Let me open up this pack to show y'all. I was using something like this for my seeds because the seeds are real small. And let me see, I believe 2 of them, no, 1 of them is like tweezer-like, y'all. So no, 2 of them are like tweezer-like. So here is the first one. Let me take this protector. So you see, this is tweezer, and this really helps to pick up like small seeds. So that's this one. This one I like because it has a little curve on it. You see, kind of like the little hook and curve. This is also good to help me with seeds. And then this third one, I know that this is like, I don't know exactly how you use it. It's for acne. So I think you like pop the, I can't get this off here. Anyway, this end is, let's see, this end is pretty sharp, but I can't get the little protective sleeve off. And then this end, I don't know, I think you use this to like, I don't know, scrape the acne bump, pop the acne bump. I don't know, y'all. That's not what I'm using it for. I mainly bought it for these 2 tweezers, but it came 3 in a pack, so that's what I bought them for. The next thing that I purchased, and this is actually a repurchase, these are long, like elbow length plastic gloves, and I use these when I'm cleaning around the house. Sometimes I'll use them in a garden. I have some cotton gloves, so I have cotton against my hand, and then I'll put these plastic ones over it. Like I wear a long sleeve shirt and I have my gloves on, the cotton gloves, and then I'll put these long gloves like over the cotton gloves and over my long sleeve. Y'all know the bugs. You know, sometimes I don't want to get my fingernails and hands and all that kind of stuff dirty. Plus, I use these in the kitchen. I use them when I'm cleaning up in the bathroom. So, this is a repurchase. I believe this is 10 pairs of gloves, and they are 60 centimeters long. So, they definitely come up above my elbow. And so, that's what I need. And then the last thing I got, also garden related, because y'all know most of the stuff that I buy from TEMU is either for my garden, my kitchen, my bathroom, some kind of household item. These are garden gloves, and I'm actually gonna open these up. I believe it's 3 pair, and they're long gloves also. And I did get large, so a green, it's kind of like peachy orange and like a grayish blue. I got large because I guess I was thinking that I was going to wear these under my cotton gloves. Let me open this right quick and see what they look like. Okay, yeah, so these are plastic long ends, and they have like, look, a little decoration or whatever on them, but these are long gloves. Ugh, I smell like that brand new plastic smell. Kind of like new tennis shoe smell. Y'all, I don't like that. I don't like how that smells. But let's see. Oh, it's cotton on the inside. I knew it was something that I liked about these. So, it's cotton on the inside of this part. Hold up. Okay. And then... yeah, see, it comes over the elbows. But I like the fact that inside the glove, the hand part, it is cotton. And then, yeah, it stops. So the cotton stops right here. So this is plastic. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Okay, no. Okay, so see, you can see. So the whole glove part, there's cotton inside of this. And then the rest of it is just the plastic. But my sleeve will be under this, so that helps. That'll help me not to have sweaty arms when I come inside. But I like the fact that it comes over the elbow. For me, there's cotton in the hand, and even if I have a short sleeve shirt on, I would rather have a sweaty arm than be, I don't know, bit by a bug or something like that. So I like this, and this is a size large. It fits my hand very well. I have some room left in the fingers, but this is good. So I have 3 pair of those. And y'all, that's it. Like I said, this was a very small TEMU haul. The reason why I made these orders is because of the plant caddies. But while I was there, you know how they always flashing more stuff in front of your face, and all they gotta do is show me something I can use in the garden. And then there it was. I still make purchases from TEMU every once in a while. If you decide to purchase from TEMU, please use my referral code to save you some money and give me a little credit. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.